welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you're a fan of bold statement-making lip colors, then today's product might just be the one you've been looking for. I'm talking about the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in Midnight Wasabi, a wicked green that promises to take your lips to a whole new level. Now, we all know that Fenty Beauty has been known for pushing the envelope when it comes to inclusive beauty, and this shade is no exception. It's a high-impact, matte finish that claims to deliver a plush texture while still feeling weightless. But the real question is, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out on more honest beauty reviews. Fenty Beauty's Mattemoiselle lipstick line is designed to give you a bold, matte look without the dry, uncomfortable feel that often comes with matte formulas. The Midnight Wasabi shade is striking. It's a deep, cool-toned green that promises to flatter a wide range of skin tones, and the ultra-slim tip makes it easy to apply with precision, even for those tricky corners of the lips. When it comes to ingredients, Fenty's cruelty-free formula doesn't contain parabens, which is always a plus for those who prefer clean beauty. The product's lightweight texture is another selling point, no heavy, cakey feeling here. Now, I've had the chance to test this lipstick for a few days, and here's my take. The application is incredibly smooth thanks to that plush texture. The ultra-slim tip helps ensure you get an accurate line, especially with such a bold shade. As for the color, Midnight Wasabi delivers a high-impact green that stays true to its shade throughout the day. In terms of wear, I was impressed by its long-lasting power. Even after a few cups of coffee and a meal, I didn't notice too much fading. That being said, the lipstick does need a touch-up after a few hours, especially around the inner lip area, as most matte formulas tend to fade there first. However, let's talk about the comfort. This is a feather light formula, which means you can wear it all day without feeling like you have heavy drying lipstick on your lips. It doesn't feel sticky, and it doesn't settle into lip lines either. This is a huge plus for matte lipsticks that tend to make lips look dry or cracked. The pros of the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in Midnight Wasabi are definitely the smooth application, impressive color payoff, and long-lasting wear. It's a fun, bold addition to any makeup collection, and the lightweight texture makes it very wearable despite its intense color. On the flip side, the con here is that while it's designed to be universally flattering, I can imagine that this bold green shade may not be for everyone. If you're more into classic reds, nudes, or pinks, you might find this too daring for everyday wear. However, if you love experimenting with unconventional lip colors, then this is a great product to try. When it comes to value for money, this lipstick is priced higher than your average drugstore brand, but it's a Fenty Beauty product. And with that, you're paying for the brand's high standards of inclusivity, performance, and innovation. If you're someone who loves experimenting with bold, unique shades, the price might just be worth it for the quality and staying power. But if you're looking for something more neutral and everyday, this might be a bit of an investment for a single shade. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As far as customer support goes, Fenty Beauty is well known for being responsive, and their commitment to cruelty-free and inclusive beauty is evident in their customer care. I haven't had to reach out for any issues personally, but based on my experience with the brand, I'd say they're reliable when it comes to addressing inquiries or concerns. Now, if this shade is a little too bold for you, there are plenty of other alternatives in the Fenty Mattemoiselle line and other matte lipsticks from brands like Maybelline or Urban Decay that give similar long-wear, plush finishes. Depending on your budget, you can easily find a more neutral shade with comparable performance. To wrap up, the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in Midnight Wasabi delivers exactly what it promises: high-impact color, a plush matte finish, and lasting power. It's a fun and bold addition to anyone's makeup bag, especially if you're looking to experiment with non-traditional lip shades. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.